Would you please welcome him to the stage, Charles Phillips. Charles, welcome to your first Dreamforce.
Hi, George. How you doing?
Yeah, good to see you. Great to see you, Chuck.
Great.
Yeah. Talk to us. You know what? You have this huge perspective on the enterprise. You are, an incredible analyst. You went from SoundView to the leading analyst at Morgan Stanley for many years. You became the president of Oracle. Now you're the CEO of Infor. I don't think anybody has a pedigree like that in our entire industry in terms of vision and execution and strategy. What's going on in our industry? What is the change and the transformation that you see? Can you help us understand that?
Well, first of all, this is an incredible show. I just want to compliment you guys how well this is run and getting this many people here during August when they should be on vacation. I mean, this is just spectacular. So thanks for inviting us.
This is vacation for us.
Of course. It's a great show. We have Infor is the largest, third largest enterprise applications company in the world. So 70,000 customers, combined operation, about $2.5 billion in revenue. Global company, 125 countries. So it's got scale. So what we're seeing is as we rewrote many of these applications, and we are the only company that has the same source code that can be run on-premise or in the cloud, hybrid, you can do it in a hybrid mode if you want to have single sign-on, some locations in the cloud, some locations on-premise, as customers are slowly getting it. We have very conservative customers, and over time we can go to them and say, on the next upgrade, why don't you consider getting rid of the server? And 5 years ago, no go. Now, even in these critical manufacturing operations, when they upgrade, we can make this a riskless decision, as riskless as it can be, and they're starting to go there. They're seeing all this information around social enterprises, all these new things. They don't quite understand it all yet, but they're interested. So the buzz is seeping down to our customer base, and we can say, when you're ready, when you do that upgrade, we have a cloud suite application. We now have 1 million subscribers in the cloud, and as they upgrade, we'll take them into the cloud.
Yeah. Now, we've been talking for almost since you became the CEO of Infor. How do we create Inforce? And how do we bring these two great companies together and build this next generation of applications? What's your vision? How do you see that unfolding?
Well, we've been trying to find a way to work together closely for 15 years now. We finally got on the stage together, so this is great. And to me, this makes a lot of sense. And the reason it's so logical for us is a lot of our products are great in manufacturing. In different industries, we have a lot of great manufacturing sites and customers. And so think of us as the products company. If you manufacture, if you have asset management, supply chain management, all that stuff we do around products. Your company is great around sales processes, salesforce automation, customers. Those two worlds should come together. So what we decided to do is talking to Mark, and we just kind of brainstormed on this, is all that great content around orders and coding and pricing that's in our applications. Why make the sales rep get out of your application to go get that content? They're used to that, obviously successful application, that's where they want to work. So all that back-end content we're going to render inside of salesforce.com. It'll look like it's part of salesforce.com, just another tab. And everything you want to do with our application, whether it's pricing, configuring, quoting, you can do right there. And we don't view that as taking away from our value. We think it's adding value for customers, and it makes us more valuable to customers.
Very exciting. Charles, tell us, what's next? Where are we all going, and what do you see as the next level of enterprise software? You've been so great at predicting that really accurately for over 2 decades.
We have all this great information about how companies work, products, and how they relate to both products and customers, but it's been locked up for a long time, and it's something you go look at in a data warehouse when it's 6 months old. The same liberation you're talking about in the relationships between customers, our customers want to do that with products as well. And what I mean by that is we have customers who want to know every little thing that changes about a product or an order. And they want to subscribe to that and have that be part of a Twitter profile.
Exciting.
So we have a product called Pulse. They subscribe to that order, and anything that happens to that order, they're notified, and it becomes part of the social enterprise.
Charles Phillips, thank you very much. Dreamforce.
Right. Good to see you.
Well done. Great to see you. Please thank Charles Phillips.
Okay.